Hello everyone, this is Gorgie and this is Baby Joe Young and welcome to our home. Today we're gonna do unboxing for Highwaykick 1 by Scoot Ride. So actually this is the birthday present for Joe Young for his first birthday, bought by his uncle and aunties. I didn't buy lah because I know how to build myself. Okay, now let's start unboxing with Joe Young. Now let's take out all the parts. We have something like a Tbar here. I believe it's the handle. Alright. Whoa. This should be the floorboard. Yep. Let's put it one side first. Manual. Yep, this is the manual. Allen keys. No more. Let's check out the box before we start assembling the Highwaykick 1. So by Highwaykick 1 is actually designed and developed in Austria. So this color is called the blueberry color. Julian, you like the blueberry color? Alright. Okay, let us see what you can hear. Safe materials, adjustable size, comfortable seat, and the tagline of Scoot Ride is actually clever mobility. Let's see. I think you can find more information on Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube video. Right. Here is some detailed instructions at the bottom of the box. You can find. Okay. Now let us start assembly. First, take out and okay, I did a bit of research on the Highwaykick 1. So basically, Highwaykick 1 is a 2-in-1 kickboard or a kickboard with a seat, which is a perfect companion for children from age 1 year old to 5 years old. Alright? So look at the front view. So for its extra stability, it uses 2 big front wheels in front and 1 rear wheel. Right? So that is and easy to run and run. Let's see. Right, let's see. Alright. Okay, done. So Highwaykick 1 claimed to have the lowest seats among its competitors worldwide. The measurement is about 22.5 cm and can be adjusted accordingly to the maximum of 29 cm. And the total height is about 82 cm up till 118 cm. Right. So this is the Highwaykick 1 where we set it as kickboard with a seat. Okay, so we can actually lower it down because Joe Young is about 13 months right now. So yeah, so alright, check this out. Look at the tire. Basically you can turn left and turn right, and then it's very stable. Even the board as well, the floorboard here, you can actually turn left and right. So Joe Young, do you like it? You like it? Alright, let's turn this thing into a kickboard. First thing, I'll remove the handle. So look at this one. Right, and we twist the thing out. vertically, lock back, right, and we put back the handle, sorry. Right. The height here is about 118 centimeter. And please have a look here. Here is the safety pad, alright? This is the safety pad. Actually, it prevents children from rolling over or fall over. So we put something like this. Yep. So when they move around, they prevent the tipping. I think it's quite easy if you are a very handy person or you have a bit of DIY background. It's very easy to install. You don't have to go through the whole manual. But if you do, that will be even better. Okay, so this is very to so you know design kick with up twist kick in and now let us go for a test ride with baby Joyang. Joyang, let's go test ride. You okay? Alright, let's go. We are on the floor now. This is our Scoot Ride Highwaykick 1. Waiting for the actor and the rider, baby Joyang. Alright, Joyang, I'll give you 5 minutes to warm up, to play around with the Highwaykick 1. He seems to like it very much, but he's using it the wrong way. Joyang, come. No. Sit on top of it. The maximum loading for the seat is 20 kilo and for the deck is 50 kilo. It's so difficult to get him. He still thinks that this is the walker. Okay? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come. Alright. Show people how you do it. Okay, come. No, he's not concentrating. Alright, you get it. Oh, start to lose interest. Okay. Let me bring another one and let's see. Let us see. Okay? This is an experiment. Which one will he choose? Alright, Joyang. Think twice, yeah? Papa's kickboard or the Scoot Ride Highwaykick 1 kickboard? Okay, this kickboard is set. Joyang, Papa here. Which one you want? Oh! You got 2 kickboards for you to choose from. One is by Scoot Ride, the other one by myself. I built it for you. Which one you want? Tbar. You got 2 kickboards. So thank you very much for watching our video. Please like and share our video to your friends and family. And both of us, me and Joyang, will see you in our upcoming videos. Bye. Bye bye. Joyang, go bye bye. Bye bye.